Hello students, welcome back to lecture 3 of Introduction to Software Package, course code 1618303. So unit 1, that is Word Processing Package, which means Microsoft Word. The topic is creating, editing, saving and opening a document and password protection for file. Before going to enter into the lecture, we will see the content of the lecture. First of all, we will see that creating a new document and editing a document, saving a document, opening a document, password protection for file. First of all, we will see creating a new document. Before going to create a new document, we will see that what is document. Document is nothing but it's a description of electronic copy or hard copy of reference material for a product. So to write and create an electronic document on a computer, use a word processor or other text editor. So once a document is created, so it can be made it into a hard copy by printing it. So now we will see that creating a new document, how to create a document. Switch on a computer first of all, and the Windows displays a desktop screen with many icons on it. That icons you can search for Microsoft Word icon and point it with the help of the mouse and double click on select the application. Suppose if the Microsoft Word icon is not on the desktop screen, then go to the Start menu, All Programs and click Microsoft Word. So you can see this picture, it shows everything. So you can, there is a click on the All Programs and you can see the Microsoft Word, then click the Microsoft Word icon. So then the open screen of Word automatically open a new document and the default name is document 1. If you have already started a Word, you create a new document by clicking new on the file menu. So in the document taskbar that open, click blank document. So like this you can create the new documents. Now we will see editing a document. So editing a document is one of the important. So you can open the document what you want to edit. So you can do double click on the Microsoft Word document directly. So it will open. After open, what you have to do, you have to select the text where you want to edit it. So you can use the tools from the edit toolbar. Edit tools from the tools menu and change the required formatting, including you can change the font style, paragraph alignment, list formatting, and that is insert images. And also you can change your paragraphs from using cut, copy, paste options. So there is a lot of tools available for the editing the document. You can use it from the edit toolbar. After editing a document, you have to save the document into the folder or into the hard disk. So to save the document, for first time, click File menu, choose Save. So save, and there is a save dialog box as per the image shown here. So you have to select the particular location and give the file name as per your desire and save it. So what you have to do, click on the file menu, choose save. The save dialog box will be displayed, and select the directory where you want to save or create a new folder by clicking new folder icon. Then enter your desired file name in the file name box, then click save. The file is saved under the new name. So then you have to save. Subsequently click on save menu from file menu, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+S from the keyboard, or you can use standard save button from the standard toolbar. This is the way of saving the document into the computer. Now we will see opening a document. Once you have saved a document, if you want to access that again to make changes or print out, or you have to open the document in Microsoft Word. So what you have to do, you have to go for the file menu in the upper left hand corner of the screen and click open command from the file menu. So you can see these images, it is shown clearly. And you have to specify the correct directory path where your file is stored, already where you have stored that computer. So choose the file by clicking it once by help of mouse and open it, or you have to double click on the file and it open. So this is the way of opening the file from the hard disk, from the computer. Now we will see the password protection for file. So before going to the password protection, we will see that what is file. So file is nothing but collection of data stored in one unit, so that identified by a file name. So it can be a document, picture, or audio or video streams, or data library applications. So these include, that is maybe a text files such as Word document or PDF, web pages, etc. Now we will see that how to protect the file. So first of all, we have to open the Microsoft Word document and double click. How to open the document? Double click on the Word document and you want to protect with the password. So the document will be opened in Microsoft Word. So first of all, we have to click file, and in the tab in the upper left corner of the Word window. So then click the info tab. So you will find this at the top of the column of option and left side of the window. So if nothing happens when you click info, you are already on the info tab. So click protect document. So it's a lock icon below the document's name near the top of the page. So drop down menu will appear. So click encrypt with the password. So this option is near the top of the drop down menu. Clicking its prompt window to be opened. So you can enter a password. So type password that you want to use into the password text field in the middle of the window. Click OK. So the OK is at the bottom of the pop-up window. So then you have to re-enter the same password. Then click OK. So this will confirm your password choice. Once you close the window, no one will be able to reopen it without typing the password. So summary of this lecture, hopefully in this presentation you may have learned that how to create a document, how to edit a document, how to saving a document, how to open a document, and how to put password in a Word document. So these are the reference books. You can go through these books and get now a lot of information from these books. Thank you.